Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Hope you are all fine and safe. So today I'm too much happy and I want to share with you my happiness with you, because this happiness just because of you people who support me, who give me too much love and too much respect. So thank you all of you. Thank you. Shukran. Shukriya. Terima kasih. Yes. I got something. Actually, I got it yesterday night. Even I want to share with you that time, but it was too late and I was too tired. When I saw this, and I get. I was waiting for it many days, many days. Even I was worried why I didn't get. Why every day I go to letterbox, I check why. But Alhamdulillah, last night I got it. This is my Google AdSense letter. Yes, Alhamdulillah. Nena Naya ki duniya. Yes, Alhamdulillah, I got it. My letter. So thank you so much from my side and Anaya side. We need your support like this. Please always give us your support like this. Inshallah, we will get more soon. Or we will meet you next video. Inshallah, until you take care of yourself, please stay safe, take care, don't go outside too much. Inshallah, we will meet you next video. So support us, give us your good feedback, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.